Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing with Scott. So today we are showing you the Q10 drone. So it's recommended for 14 years or older. Let's go over some quick specs for you guys. So it's got FPV transmission, it's foldable, altitude hold, gravity sensor, 3D flips, headless mode, 1-key takeoff and landing. So without further ado, let's get inside this box because I'm excited. I don't know about you. All right, guys, let's go. So it says attention, we recommend to fly outdoors no more than 98 feet to prevent from losing your drone. Do not fly on a windy day. Whoa, this thing is cute, man. So they give you a manual. They give you, it looks like the landing gears or protective pieces for the blades. You got screwdriver, you got extra blades, you have your charging cables in there. Oh, this is pretty awesome. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look how small this little thing is. That is so cool. So the blades are foldable. You just pull them out, lock them into place here. Okay, so you have to pull them out in a certain order. So don't like yank on it. Just pull one out. If it doesn't, the other blade can't come out, then just close it like that. Oh, so you got the power button on the top here. You got the camera directly in front. I mean, this thing is cool looking. It's small. I can see why they say don't fly on a windy day because it is very lightweight. Very, very nice. This is really cool. So let's go ahead and check out the remote. So fairly big remote. Kind of reminds me of an Xbox remote. You pop this out and this allows you to put your phone right on here. You got settings on the top here. Joystick, you have different options right here. You have your power button right here. Looks like they do provide you with 2 batteries. So they're fairly small batteries, but obviously it's a smaller drone. It's still, they pack a punch. They're still 550 mAh. So it's still decent, not bad for a small little drone. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off and see what kind of batteries we need for the remote. So guys, charging is made easy. You just plug it in like this and you plug it into a charging port. It's USB charged, so you can plug it in anything, even a power bank. Over here, it takes 3 AAA batteries. Here's the drone up close and personal. Very nice. I'm excited to fly this, so let's get testing it out. So you press and hold the power button on here to turn this on. Press and hold the power button on the drone and then you sync it up. For more information on this, check out your manual, and for extra features, check out your manual. It would take us probably 5 hours if we went over everything. So guys, my final thoughts on the drone is actually pretty easy to start. You press and hold, and then you turn on the remote, you press down, and now it's ready to fly. So don't do it inside. You can check your manual if you have any issues with it. But there are 3 different flying modes. There's beginner, there's medium, and then there's fast. So you change your mode and your speed by pressing this. By pressing this, this allows you to turn sharper and go faster. However, I recommend not using this unless you're familiar with how to operate the drones. Overall, this is definitely one of my favorite mini drones. I had a lot of fun with this. The battery actually lasts extremely long. I was very, very shocked at how long the battery lasts. So this one is definitely going in my top 5 mini drone list. So I definitely love this. I love everything about it and didn't have any issues. Very nice.